Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to apply different header and footers for different pages. In a previous video already I had explained you how to apply header and footers for your document. So now in this video I am going to explain you how to apply different header and footers for different pages. See, 4 pages of document I have taken here. For all these 4 pages I will apply different header and footers. Before you apply header and footers, first you need to divide your document into different sections. Then only you can able to apply header and footers for different header and footers for your document. So what you need to do is just you need to keep cursor at the end where you want to divide your section. And here just I am keeping cursor at the end of your end of this page. So for this page I am dividing into different sections. So I am keeping cursor at the end of this page, and then you need to go to layout tab and then click on breaks, and here you need to use next page to divide that page into different section. So click on next page. Here this page is divided into different section. And then this page also I will divide into different sections. So I need to keep cursor at the end and then click on breaks and press or select next page. And the same procedure you need to follow for all pages wherever you want to insert different headers or else photos. So here also I will keep cursor and I will select next page. Here my document I have divided into 3 sections. So 3 headers and 3 footers I am inserting here. So here one header I will select, one header I will apply for this document. Here the same header is applying for all documents. You can see here there is no any difference. Here only one header is applying for all document. See, now I will edit it because you will be able to understand whether a header is changing for next page or pages or not. See, here this header I have applied for first page, but the second page is also getting the same header. So what I will do, I will edit the header. So whenever you will be in a editing mode of that header, then design tab will be activated here. In a design tab, link to previous option you are getting. This is to link this header with the previous header. So I am clicking on link to previous to link the second header with the first header. And then after linking this header with the previous header, I need to change the header. You can't change this header from the option of insert tab, because if you change option from insert tab, then the same header will be applied again. The same header will be applied for all pages. So I am changing only header for this second page. So I need to use this header option and then I need to apply header for second page. So this header I am using for second page. And here I am going to edit this header, because this will happen only when you link this header with the previous header. So the same procedure I am following for a next header also. And here again this link to previous option is activated. You need to understand whenever this option will be activated, then only you need to understand that your document is divided into different sections. Then only this option will be activated. So again I need to click on same option, link to previous. So what I am doing, this third header I am linking with the second header. Then on a same tab I need to use this header. Then you can select any one header option, and now I will edit this header. So now you can see different headers are applied for different sections here. See, now you can see a changes. For this header, different header is there. For this page, different header. For this page, different header. See, whatever header you have applied for a last page, the same thing will be applied for the rest of the pages.